Okay, welcome to my project. Recently, in the country, there has been a rise in the price of cooking oil and oil-related products. So I thought of a business idea and ways to solve this problem. So I discovered that you can make avocado oil. You can make oil from avocado, and hence I decided to try it and see the results. I think that if this project is successful, we can be able to solve the current crisis because avocados are readily available in the country. Welcome. Okay, welcome back. So I have already spread out the avocado, and now we leave it for about 6 hours, but remember to keep it away from sunshine, just inside the house for about 6 hours, and we'll see how it looks like. Okay, so after 6 hours the mixture has turned black, so we stir it again, and we continue stirring it, and then we leave it for about 6 hours again, to which it will turn black again. So we continue stirring, and we are still stirring it. Stir continuously and try to smash the lumpy particles, those with lumps, and then you spread it all over. So after about 4 days of constantly turning it, it eventually turns to black. It should turn to black, but mine has overstayed a little bit, but it's still good because now the color is black. So after that, when it's completely black and there's no green in it, we just scoop it, then we put it in a glass dish. So for the final preparation, so after we put it all in the dish, we now heat it. This is how we'll heat it. So after finishing, so we now put it in boiling water and wait for 5 minutes gently, then we cover it. Okay, so I've already finished heating the avocado and I've immersed it in they say insert it in a muslin bag or a cheesecloth. They usually say insert it in a muslin bag or a muslin cloth, but I could not find it unfortunately in Kitale, so I've just used the paper bag that is sold in supermarkets at 10 shillings. Let's see whether it's going to produce some results. So you press it, so you're still pressing. So you are supposed to use cheesecloth to get the most out of the avocado, but unfortunately we had to use a piece of cloth because the cheesecloth was unavailable. So if we had a cheesecloth, then more of it would have been produced. So you can see the avocado oil is really rich in vitamin E and A and D.